Hi there. So, I've been testing a SketchUp workflow for messy DWG and DXF imports. The problem is familiar. You import CAD line work into SketchUp, but the geometry comes in the gaps, duplicate edges, broken curves, bad layers, or tiny issues that stops faces from forming cleanly. Then you end up spending a lot of time manually tracing or healing edges and then trying different ways to clean up the drawing or the plug try to find plugins for that. So I've lately been working on a plugin that will fix a lot of issues in life. So let me start with a template that I am saving. So this is a normal SketchUp template file that I have saved. Then I open from extensions face healer. And then as you can see, I set the tolerance to 300 millimeter to spot any lines that is not connected and connect them if there is. And then select my layers. Make sure all the layers that I want is selected. Okay, all is done. Just refresh to check that I'm selecting them all. Okay, and then you just send the job and heal. So as you can see, the plugin is processing the CAD line work, repairs the main face issues, and gives us clean SketchUp surfaces that are ready to push, pull, organize, and module from. This is still being tested, so I'm looking for real messy DWG or DXF or SketchUp import cases. If you have a file that always gives you cleanup problems and like you can send a small stripe down sample area with no client info, no title block, and no private project data. So I'm especially interested in files with broken line work, tiny gaps, overlapping edges, curves, site plans, floor plans, or CAD imports that refuses to make faces properly. So we can check right now quickly the work, and most of the layering that I want is done, and we can hide to see if everything is there. So okay, these are the walls, windows, and so few gaps here and then not closed, but at least this is like a 2% of the job. And that's it. Thank you so much.